Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in the Puente Mall. And of course they do have the Champs outlet, aka Champs clearance store. Let's look around. And man, they have a lot of stuff from the bottom all the way to the top. Got all kinds of sneakers here. They got Jordan signatures here. They got Jordans right there. They got retros up top. Got a ton of Puma basketball. Reeboks right there. Man, they got some insane prices. All right, I've already seen a ton of interesting stuff, but do got JTs right here. Do got the Tatums, go for $100. Got 3 different colorways, and then got some Lukas. Luka 2s right here. Jordan retros, got the mids. Those are the SEs, the special edition ones. Super great material. Got some mids right there. 11 low I's. These have been here for a cool minute. Got a couple of the Legacy 312s right there, go for $100. And look at this one, 70 for these. But we have been seeing these on sale, so this one's not too crazy, to be really honest. Then Team J's, got a bunch of Team J's. Man, this one's still going for $150. These are kind of expensive. I got more and more Team J's. I don't even know all the different names of these. Jumpman Team 1s. We just saw this at Champs Northridge. It was the same price though. Same price, so I guess you're gonna have to be patient for some of these to drop. The Web Boost. And I think these are the same price. These $60. Freaking crazy for these bad boys. 80 for the 2021s. Oh, the 2022s. These are Ultras 2022s. NMDs. Got a couple of those going for 60. Pro models. These have been here for a while. And then the Trey Youngs, $30 freaking dollars. Pretty much the same price as Ross Burlingtons. And then still got one of these Donovan Mitchells. These are 3s? Yeah, the issue 3s. Still $20. $20. It's crazy. Ratchet right there. Got another NMD down to 60. And then we've seen the Adidas phones. We've seen these going for 60, 50 quite often. Ooh, look at this one. This old truth right here. I've almost missed this. $50. 50 freaking dollars. Wow, 190 down to $50. I don't know if this is one for golf or if it's just a trail runner, because or if this is just a rugged one for, I think this is for golf. I think this is for golf, because the bottom kind of indicates that. Yeah, a lot of folks go early in the morning, so the grass is wet, so there's weather, somewhat weather resistant on top. $50. Hella cheap. I got some forums right here. I can't stand these. These are the ones that look all dirty and stuff. I can't stand that look. Got some all white ones going for 60. Mediocre leather on that one though. We'll definitely get back to sneaker. Got ton and tons of sneakers. What the heck is this? Got Boxer Breeze, $20 for a 2-pack. Got plenty of sizes right here. Got the Jordan fanny packs. What did these go? Oh, these are all 20. Oh, it says 20 and below, so it could be even cheaper. Not everything is priced as marked or priced. Adidas beanies, pretty soft beanies, not the thickest. But yeah, these are all under $20. Got more fanny packs right here, more beanies. Okay, got plenty of stuff. Ton of boxes. Holy cow, I've never seen so many boxes here. I see Jordan stuff, I see Adidas stuff, I see all kinds of stuff, man. So yeah, definitely worth stopping by. Gonna have to keep an eye on this spot next few weeks. And then back in the sneaker section, this is the men's sizes. Got a ton of these Mellows. These are the Mellow 3s, the MB3s. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Not seen that colorway right here. Kind of interesting. That is kind of interesting. More and more the MB3s right here. Then of course they got the 2s as well. Got 2s. We've been seeing these for 50 at a lot of the Ross, but here you don't have to go to 8 different spots. Some 2s right there. Got a bunch of 1s too. MB1s. And I'm sure most of these are on sale, just not marked. I don't think anything here is retail price. So yeah, do got these right here. All whites right here, pretty clean. And they got mostly black right here. $70 for these bad boys. The New Balances, got a few of the 550s. Which one's this one? I don't really know. much about this one. The 480s, I don't know, but 550s right here. Got plenty of those 374s. I've been saying probably gonna see a lot of these fall eventually, and then another one of the 550s. Kamikaze right here. This is a Looney Tunes one. Dropping things left and right, but yeah, Looney Tunes one right there. Kamikaze lows right there. Then got Iverson's right there. Got Iverson questions. Got the Kobe 160 for these. I would ask about the prices if they're not labeled. And look at this one, $30. Is this grade school? Tell me this is grade school, because there's no way this is a men's. This is a men's 8, size 8 right here. Holy cow, $30. I didn't realize I actually bought these. I didn't know I had them. I just noticed that a couple days ago. I was like, what? I got these? I didn't know that, but I definitely didn't get them for $30. I'll say that. And then this has been the section that you do have to check out right here. Don't see too much craziness. Not too many brand new items. Got all these Mitchell and S shorts right here. Normally $100. I don't think too many people paid $100 for these. Are the Bel Air Academy shorts from Fresh Prince of Bel Air. These are all down to $20. They still got the Chinese New Year Mitchell and S 76ers shorts. If I remember, it's not like they had a ton of sizes. They do have large. They do have small. So they do have multiple sizes. This one is a medium, so small, medium, large. Got a few sizes. We got some Laker. I think these are swimming trunks. Swimming trunks down to $20. These actually ain't bad. They're not bad. They got the Chinese New Year Mitchell and Ness shorts. These look like a small. Yep, those are a small. Got some Dodger shorts right here. These are Pro Standard, only 70 down to 20. Then they got Dodgers. They got Warriors Pro Standard hoodies right here, 90 down to 60. This hoodie right here is normally 100. Those are down to 60, I believe. Oh, maybe they're 40. Maybe they're 40. So if you're like Dodgers and you like leopard print, that's what's up. They do have these Pro Standard t-shirts right here. Those are down to 30. San Diego right here. Looks like they're all San Diego ones. I see a medium, and they might be all mediums. And then up top, they got Mitchell and S jackets right there. They got Steelers. They got Rams down to 80. Those are normally like 160 if I remember. And then Pro Standard Leatherman's jackets right there. I don't know what size is. I don't know what the regular price is. Those are probably normally at least $2 because Pro Standard's not cheap. But yeah, do got Lakers, do got Rams, do got Raiders. And do got slides. Got Crocs and stuff like that. Oh, these Crocs are down to $30. Wow, that's actually a pretty good deal. Those are normally like 70. And then do got the Adelaide slides. Adelaide 22 slides down to 40. These are normally 60. And then they still got one of these. I think I have this one at home. $20. I'm pretty sure I paid 20. I think I paid 20 for these. I was gonna get it from my brother-in-law, but he already had some, so he didn't need them. But yeah, these are comfy, dude. These are comfy, dude. I do have one. I have a couple actually. Got some Curry 9s right here in the men's section. These are big. These are size 13 right here. Got Project Rock right here down to 90. Is this the one that we've been finding at Ross and stuff like that? But at least here you don't have to go to 18 different spots. Do have some Splash, what are these, a Splash 2 or something? These are the budget model of the Currys right here. They still got the Tai Chis right here. All you old heads know about these. These are size 7. I've asked numerous times if they have different sizes. They've had size 7s here, and then they've had size 13s, and that's it. It's the one that Vince Carter wore to win the dunk contest a while back when he was in free agency, or sneaker free agency, that is. Diodoras, wrestling collabs right here. Got a few of them. I think is this the wrestling? No, this one isn't. They sold out of the AEW ones, but yeah, they got a few. They got a few for hella cheap, $20. Checking the women's section, seeing the Jordans right here. Got the blue ones right here. Decent collection. They got Comforts right here. This is actually a pretty dope colorway right here. Patent leather. Got Vapor Max Pluses, $80 in the women's, not bad. NMDs in a bunch of Skittles colorways. Go for 90, 70, 80, 80. 70 for those right there. 60. Is that the cheapest one? I think that's the cheapest one. And got a few. Dang, dude, just keeps going. It's going. And then this is what, like a V2 or something? Oh, W1. There's that one right there. Okay. Been seeing some of these at some of the other champs. I was like, are these the Cardi B's? Yeah, these are the Cardi B Reeboks, the Club C's. They don't look like Club C's at all, but Cardi B Club C's going for hella cheap. Dang, $30 right here. $30. Wow. And dude got some New Balances in the women's section right here. Man, this is a 530. I've said, like, I don't know some of the New Balance. Like, I don't know how many people know about the 530 New Balances. I don't know. Like, people aren't too hyped about these, but I also just have never really worn New Balance. I have a couple pairs. I have like 3 or 4 pairs now. I actually have 3 or 4 pair of the 574s. These are the women, so doubt they'll have my size. But you know, I like the 574s, but I'm not too big into all the different New Balances. I don't know how many people are. Like, I've made videos of the New Balance outlet. Like, people don't really watch. So, but yeah, those are some of the New Balances. That's hella cheap, $40. Holy cow. $30 for UGG boots right there. Are these the Phantoms? Yeah, these are supposed to be hella nice. Got Hokas right here. Wow, $60 for Hokas. These are pretty much men's sizes because they're so freaking huge. But $140 down to $60. Dang, dude, maybe should I get one for my kiddo? No, he loves Hoka. He does have a pair of black and white Hokas, so this is probably his size too. So 11 women's, 9.5 men's. It looks comfy, dude. I don't know, what is this? The Kawanas? I don't really know much about those. And Tim's going for hella cheap out here. They got a few Hokas right here in the men's section. What's this? Oh, the Saucony Endorphins. These are huge. Holy cow, this is $40. So normally $100. This is a size 13, $140 down to $40. So $100 off. And then do got. Oh, go ahead. Grab those. Yeah, those are like a size 13 or something. Clifton's right there for $80. And then do got these Speed Goats right here. But yeah, okay, she didn't need these. But yeah, these are like a size 13, 14? 14, size 14, $80. Those are like $160, I think. Checking out some of the men's apparel. They got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirts. I don't know what the price is. Oh, okay, $10. $10 is the price for those. Naruto shirts. Got a bunch of graphic tees. They sell these at Champs? How do they sell? Oh, these are Champion t-shirts, I guess. Rick and Morty, if you guys are fans of that. DMX t-shirt, kind of random. More Rick and Morty shirts, all $10. Do have more Mellow stuff right here. Mellow apparel. Do got Puma Mellow apparel. Normally 90 down to 50. That's when he scored 92 points in high school, though. Like, that's cool, but you're in the NBA, dude. I'm just like, look up NBA accomplishments, huh? I'm all wrong on that one, but do got more Mellow stuff right here. La France. Isn't that what's Mellow too? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all Mellow stuff right there. T-shirts, $20. Got Puma shirts right here. These are normally $30. I don't know the price though. Is this? I guess $20. Looking up, just see what apparel they have. Do got Dodgers World Championship New Era shirts, size medium. $100, dude. $100 Nike t-shirts. Like, you really have to go through all this stuff. SpongeBob t-shirts. The Wheaties t-shirts right here. General Mills really selling Wheaties t-shirts. That is hilarious. Nike hoodies, they dropped them down to $20. Holy cow, all kinds of Nike hoodies. Do have graphics and stuff on them. Might not be for everybody, but $20? $20? Are you serious? I've never seen that. What the hell? They got pretty decent selection. Sizing definitely going to be an issue, but man, Nike hoodies for $20? Don't get much cheaper than that. Dang, this running pullover normally $68 down to $20. That is a size medium. Yeah, definitely worth a stop, man. Wow. What is that? Timberland shirts right here. Do got Nike sweats right here, 40 for those, 30 for all of these right here. $60 ones right there, 50, 40. Nike track jackets right there, going for 40. Is that a Nike one going for 50 as well? All right, last section right here. This is all the grade school right here. They got quite a lot of J's, holy cow. Then they do have preschool, pretty small section of the preschool kids though. And infants right here. Dang, they got, wasn't that a women's or is that kids? But yeah, man, they got the 12s up there. They got the 13s. That was a grade school exclusive. Playoffs. Playoff 13s. Got all kinds of retros right here. And then look at this, 50 bucks. $50. Holy cow, that is just hella cheap. Hella cheap. And then, oh, I was like, are these the 7? No, these are the 7s. The 312 down low. And then plenty of Team J's right here. I'm just gonna go through them real quick for you guys. Crater Impacts, freaking $20 on the can. Then Air Max 95s down to 60. Pluses right here. And these have been hella cheap for quite some time. Dude, got the Air More Up Tempos. They're dropping. I told the workers here, man, they got so much stuff spilling over, man. They're gonna have to drop the price. Not like they do it, but I was telling them, headquarters, whoever does the pricing, they better drop prices because, man, they got so much stuff. Couple of interesting finds. The Jerry Stackhouse right here. Weird colorway, but yeah, this was my first dope shoe. This is the first dope sneaker that I did get in high school. I think when I was 15. Yeah, I think when I was 15, got this in one of the OG colorways. That was pretty fire. Curry 9s right here, $60 for those bad boys. And then wow, 30 freaking dollars. Holy cow, that is just hella cheap. I got some Chucks right there. Got some, what are these, Filas? Some Filas right here. Some cartoon characters on them that I don't know. But yeah, that's the most interesting stuff in the kids section that I found. They got women's stuff, tights and stuff like that. $5 freaking dollars. I don't know the brand name and stuff, but $5? Really? Holy cow. Cozy. That's just hella cheap. I don't know what the price on this rack is, but I'm assuming hella cheap. They got training stuff for women. And then for guys, if you guys just need stuff to match certain colors and stuff, they do have Champ Sports Gear. Material is like pretty freaking good on these. $55 down to $15. Not the thickest stuff, but just really, really solid materials. You got racks and racks and racks. And for women, I'm telling y'all, got tons of really cheap stuff. You know, hopefully they have the right sizing and stuff like that. You know, but you know, if you just need stuff to just throw on real quick, $5, man, $5. And as I showed you guys, got plenty of stuff in the back right there. Make sure you guys check the description if you guys need the address for this spot. This is the Champs outlet. No returns, all sales are final because it is a clearance store. Make sure you guys help a boy out, press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. We're done, you guys. Man, we out. Got plenty coming. See y'all. Cool Kicks YouTube channel out in Montebello. And look at the $60 Jordan 1 lows for $60 freaking dollars, 50% off. Holy cow. And look at this, what the hell? $40 for the Lucas? Luca 2's down to $40. Are you serious? Holy cow. Is this the Jordan 1 low OGs? These the Jordan 1 low OGs down to $70?